With the recent release of Function X 2.0 Testnet, you can now create your own blockchain, set up validators and assign them to a blockchain via X's Cloud. A scalable, easy-to-use blockchain infrastructure. Why would you consider creating a blockchain for your business? It is not a secret by now, using decentralized systems for recording financial transaction data is a much more reliable option than centralized systems since the data cannot be altered. Because of this feature, the data on the blockchain gains trust from users. The trusted data enables businesses to digitize illiquid assets and make it easier for people to trade via the tokenization process. Interconnected nodes bringing transactions onto the blockchain through tokenization offers reliability, transparency, cost reduction, and accessibility. However, most businesses today are not equipped with the skills to tokenize their illiquid assets on the blockchain. This is what motivated us to develop X's Cloud as part of the offerings of the Function X ecosystem. X's Cloud empowers users to create a blockchain and digital assets without requiring any coding skills. Using X's Cloud, businesses and organizations are now able to assign a digital representation to any store of value, including creative content, physical property, and intangible assets. Time to create your very own blockchain. To create a blockchain, we'll be using two tools we've talked about in the past, X's Cloud and X's Connect. If you don't have the X's Connect app installed, you will need to download the application build that fits your platform from the icons found here. Now that you've got X's Connect installed on your phone, and have created a wallet as explained in part 1 of this tutorial, we can get started with logging into X's Cloud using your own decentralized wallet. You can do so by navigating here and scanning the QR code shown by X's Cloud by clicking the top left icon on the main screen in X's Connect. A pop-up will appear in X's Connect noting that Functions I was requested to log into your wallet. Click Allow. Please keep in mind that every time you leave the Function X Cloud website, you will have to re-authenticate when you come back. Now you've logged in and you'll see the main page of X's Cloud. You'll see two buttons, one that can be used for creating a blockchain and the other for creating a validator. Basic information: when you click the Create a New Blockchain button, you will be asked to fill in some details needed to start running your chain. Let us take a closer look at the process. Below is the first page. You will see the token name is the name of the digital assets that will be created on your blockchain. For example, for Bitcoin, the name is BX. The address prefix is made of characters used to identify your blockchain as addresses. For example, Ethereum uses 0x in front of each address. The block time represents how frequent a block will be created in your blockchain. This setting can influence the speed of how fast transactions show up as done. For example, a block speed of 10 seconds would mean that all transactions submitted in a 10-second frame are confirmed every 10 seconds. To achieve the optimal operating performance, the number of active validators will only have a certain amount at a time. 50 is the recommended maximum number of active validators. Now that we're done with the first page of details, let us move on to the next one. Genesis below. You can read full post on CryptoFans. News, link available in text below.